How to share Minecraft app to another phone. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this video. So starting off, all you have to do is open up your Play Store in your new device. In the search bar, you need to go ahead and search for Minecraft. Tap on the game application. Now this is the game application that you have to install in your mobile device first and foremost. As you can see, it's gonna charge you about $7. Select add credit or debit card and you need to enter your card number and verification for this. Once you have successfully purchased this game application, you will be able to share your Minecraft app to another phone. Also make sure that the account that you have added in your previous phone is the same account that you are currently using in your Play Store. By this way, you'll be able to share and save details from your previous mobile device to another one. Alternative way is to opening your files application in your mobile device. Make sure that you're opening the file option in your old device. From here, scroll down and you have to select on the SD card or internal storage to search for your Minecraft app folder. By this way too, you'll be able to share your Minecraft app to another phone. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.